Usually I make sure with the sprained ankle, it's at 90 degrees in neutral position. You don't ever want to cover the toes. If you cover the toes for the practical, minus points. Spica, we're doing a little X crossing motion. So make sure you guys can see this. It's going to happen on the top of the ankle. So I'm going to come up and around, slightly going upwards. And when I come back around, I'm coming back down for the first spica. The second one, I'm doing that same pattern. I'm going slightly higher. And when I come around, I'm coming slightly lower again for the second spica. And what that spica is just an X. I usually do that 3 or 4 times, all while keeping wrinkle free and with very good compression. There's a third spica right there. I could probably go one more, but judging by the length of my bandage, I want to finish off with a spiral to help assist the heart, the swelling back to the heart. I don't have a clip for this one. Sometimes people use a spiral instead of the spica, but more people like the feel of the spica because it feels more uniform and it covers more compression. And sometimes the spica helps to hold ice in place better than the spiral. Okay? Remember, when you do the spiral, it's half overlap. If you overlap too little, there's a possibility of that swelling to occur, and it's not tight enough here. So we want at least a half overlap. Okay? When we're done, especially with the practical, practice using the capillary refill and practice compression. So I would have the other foot out, and I would test 2 feet, make sure discoloration is good, and I would check for compression and make sure it's okay, and see how you did with the bandage, and if you use the right bandage. Okay? So first off, we're going to practice